When Tesla introduced its motorhome to the world, it was not just a vehicle, but a moving home. At first glance, it becomes clear that this innovation is set to change the future of travel. Let's start with the front design. The Tesla Motorhome's front looks completely futuristic. It features a grille-less smooth nose, a trademark of Tesla's design language. The wide panoramic windshield gives the driver a clear, commanding view of the road. The LED matrix headlights shine at night as if the stars themselves are guiding the way. Looking at the motorhome from the side, its length and design appear to be a blend of a luxury bus and a modern RV. Sleek, metallic body lines, large tinted windows, and roof-mounted solar panels make it even more attractive. The automatic sliding doors open with ease, and electronic steps extend out, giving every entry and exit a royal feel. Moving to the back side, Tesla has combined simplicity with advanced technology. The taillights stretch across the entire width, giving the motorhome a future. Now, let's step inside the motorhome. Entering the interior feels like walking into a luxury apartment. The living area includes soft leather recliner seats, a foldable dining table, and a smart LED TV. The kitchen, though compact, is fully equipped with an induction stove, fridge, microwave, and elegant storage cabinets. The bedroom features a queen-size smart bed with panoramic windows offering stunning views that become even more magical at night. In the cockpit, Tesla's signature digital dashboard and autopilot system takes center stage. From here, the driver can control not just the steering, but the entire smart system of the motorhome. The exterior and interior of the Tesla motorhome together create an experience that